Right now, at this very second, the massive Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling toward our Milky Way at a staggering speed of 400,000 kilometers per hour. In about 4 billion years, our tranquil night sky will shatter as two cosmic titans collide. Contrary to what you might imagine, individual stars will almost never crash into each other because space is vastly empty. Instead, gravity will violently rip gas clouds apart, trigger billions of newborn stars, and twist both galaxies into a massive cosmic dance. Eventually, the two central supermassive black holes will merge into one, forging a single monstrous galaxy known as Milkdromeda. Subscribe to AstroShayan as we witness the dramatic fate of our home in the universe.